my friends, how are you? Everything good? There's a sign. We just make the timing for 3GR engine Lexus 2.5 engine. There's one sign on pulley here, and you can show him the arrow. So just one sign here on the arrow. Don't put on the one, because this arrow is the main on normal. Because if you put it on the one, it will be now you see there one sign here, the cam loop here, okay, the intake one, yep. So no need to make at once, because on the 1.1 it will be damage the timing and damage the cam also. Inside you get the code P0018 if this timing not good. Okay, here's the second for the exhaust cam. Here's the one sign. The second one, you make the chain sign also, fasten it. Then you can see on the left side came here's one sign, you put it one. Okay, so here's just one sign. The arrow sign will be rectangle by the side. Okay, here's the orange one will meet here with yellow sign for inside for cams, and here just cam bearing. The arrow sign will be rectangle by the side. Okay, here's the orange one will meet here with yellow sign for inside for cams, and here just cam bearing. The cam loop will be on the up, but not up straight. It will be a little bit left side, and here for exhaust cam it will be goes up, so you can see it will front of each other. Okay, so here also for exhaust sign here, you can meet it here on the cam bearing, so you get the timing it's on. Okay, before we make one video, but we wrong, so we just justify this one. We also humans, we not machines, not robots, but we appreciate if you see us, if you like us, please like, share and subscribe us. Thank you.